Hello, and welcome to SFI Compliance video tutorial series. In today's topic, we'll be discussing how to set up your user profile. The first step to set up your profile is to log in by going to www.sficompliance.com and selecting Client Login. You will simply enter your credentials, select the Login button, and then you will be brought to a homepage that looks similar to what you see on the screen ahead of you. Once you're on this page, we can go to our profile selection up in the top right-hand corner that gives you your username as well as your profile picture. If you have not selected one, we can do so from this selection pane. By clicking on this, we see that we have some options. The first option is our actual profile. When we make this selection, we can make any changes or edits to our name, first and last, as well as our job title and our contact phone number. Continuing down the page, we also have the ability to upload images for our profile if you wish to do so. Choose File, and we will have the option to go in and find the images we would like to upload. Simply select your image, click Open, and this will upload the image for your profile. Continuing down the page, we will just select Save and Close, and this step is now complete. Continuing, if we go back to our profile, we have another selection. If we go to the lock icon, we can actually change our password as well. First, you'll enter your old password, then you'll enter the new password you would like to use, and then re-enter that password for confirmation. Once you have done this, you will simply select Change, and this will update the password to the new password you would like to use. For today, we will not be changing our password, so I'm going to select Cancel. Continuing with our selections, we have a third option. By selecting this option, we can select the default site for the statistics that appear on our dashboard. Right now, we have this set for Site Health 3, but we are going to change our selection to Site 5. And we will select Save, and this will update our dashboard home screen. Now, once the page refreshes, you scroll down, and we notice that our site health now reflects the new site, which is site number 5. This will give you the total number of inspections that have been completed on your site, the site grade for those inspections, and the composite score, as well as the totals between your workplace safety checklist and your job site inspections for both of these. Now, the last option that we have is simply a logout button if you wish to log out of the system. This completes our video tutorial series on how to update your profile. Please feel free to contact us if you ever have any questions. Thank you for your time and have a great day.